All right, well, we're going to go on to our next question. Question number 3. How do you determine if an injury is because someone is neglectful or if it was your fault or just bad luck? And Mike.
So I'll jump
Yeah.
right in. So in Mississippi, for a car wreck or any personal injury claim, you have to prove that someone was negligent. So the easiest way I can put that, did they do something they shouldn't have done, or did they fail to do something that they should have? So how did they mess up? And then how did that cause the wreck? So in Mississippi, to recover, you got to prove that someone was negligent. I just tried a case in Rankin County, and we went and tried that jury trial. And the theme of that trial from opening to close was accidents happen. Ladies and gentlemen, accidents don't happen. Accidents are preventable. And that's why we have rules of the road. We have rules to follow so that if we do those things correctly, no one gets hurt. And luckily, the Rankin County jury, they saw through this idea that accidents happen, and they came to the right conclusion. They found that the defendant was at fault, that they were negligent for that motor vehicle accident. But it's something we see. I know Rocky's seen it. The whole accidents happen. When in truth, if you don't just have accidents, they're all preventable. You have to follow the rules or someone's going to get hurt. Rocky, do you agree with that?
Yeah. Yes. An accident is when my son was 2 years old and spilt his juice. Okay. Because he couldn't help himself sometimes, like all little kids. An accident is not when a truck driver or log truck driver for days and weeks takes a dangerous route where his cab comes over into the other lane of traffic. And then on, one summer morning, his cab comes over, his trailer comes over, and it hits this innocent person going around the same curve from the opposite direction and permanently injures him. That's not an accident. That was an accident. That was an incident waiting to happen. And most of the cases that I have, almost all of them, could have been prevented, especially when you're talking about following the rules of the road, not running a stop sign, not speeding, not being on your cell phone. All those things are preventable. And usually these incidents, and I don't even use the word accident, usually these incidents happen way further up the road than just right when the impact happens. It's something that really was foreseeable. And I think that makes sense to a jury. I mean, I don't think that suddenly somebody forgot how to drive and it was just a simple accident and they didn't mean to, so you shouldn't find them at fault. They're still responsible.